Alright, today we're going to bring a barbecue scraper, and not just a barbecue scraper, it's a bottle opener. It has a flat head, it could be used as a tool, there's a sharp edges too, and they also give you a chain so you could put it into your keychain itself and hang it up, or hang it in a certain place where your grill's at. So I'm going to keep this near my grill because I do have a smoker and it accumulates old meats and stuff, so I'm going to use this to scrape it out and clean it out. So let's put it to use and see how it works. All right, let me show you how it works. So the scraper, look at this. Anything on the side, you clean it out. All right, and we did a couple turkeys and other stuff. All you gotta do is run it down. Look at that. Scrape the whole thing. Good detail. Get out the oil. Get a napkin. Clean it out. Very simple. The whole setup. Keep it nice and clean. Right here. This is the hard part right there. There you go. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.